Good morning students. Today we are discussing about the role of entrepreneurs in economic development. Why? Because every entrepreneur is an important role plays in economic development in every country. That is the main thing. Every entrepreneur is an important role in economic development growth. That is the you think about that. Every entrepreneur is a not their own individual benefits, and also they are to role a economic development their nation. That is also very important. That's why today we are discussing about the role of entrepreneur in a economic development. You can think about that. Economic development of every country is depending on human resources. Every country is depending on human resources. The development is depending on human resources. Human resources means here entrepreneur is a human resources. The important role they play in a important role in a development of economy. That is why every country is depending the human resources. They searching, they wanted every entrepreneur, small entrepreneurs, they can to develop their business and also role in a development of their nation. That is the main thing. The first basic thing you can think about the every country, their economy development. They wanted human resources. Here human resources are entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are to develop their country economy. That is the main thing. And also not human resources all alone are not put economic development, but it requires dynamic entrepreneurs. That is also very important. Why? Because human resources alone is not putting the economic development. They can require the dynamic entrepreneurs. Dynamic entrepreneurs means previous class we are discussing about the characteristics of entrepreneurs. Who are the action oriented? Who are the self-motivated, who are the innovative, who are the using the technology, who are the risk takers. They wanted the dynamic entrepreneurs. Every country is also require the dynamic entrepreneurs. Why? Because they developing their economy. In that time they wanted to not only depending upon the HR means human resources, they wanted a dynamic entrepreneurs. You understood, girls? That is the main thing. HR here means entrepreneurs. Okay? They look for opportunities, identify opportunities and seize opportunities, maximizing the profit. They look for, every entrepreneurs look for the opportunities. What opportunities? They identify the opportunities. What opportunities are there? They can identify and seize the identities. What opportunities we are using in our own business to maximizing the profit. Why? Because in previous class we are discussing about the every entrepreneur is a profit oriented. Why? Because they can do the job, but job and entrepreneurs to make a difference between here profit oriented. Entrepreneurs are profit oriented. 1 rupee is also profit for their business. That's why they can look for opportunities and also identify opportunities and also seize opportunities to make a maximizing the profit. That is the main thing. And also now that more developing countries also recognize the importance of entrepreneurs, and countries are motivating small entrepreneurs. Nowadays every developing countries also to recognize the importance of entrepreneurs and motivating the small entrepreneurs. Why? Because the government of India, the foundation course, the general education course, the entrepreneurship education, every student is also thinking like that. After study, they can start a business. That's why we are giving the skills for entrepreneurs. We are developing the students their skills. What ideas are there? Why? Because the youth is most important role in a developing their country, their economy. That's why the government of India, the higher education, introducing the skill-oriented programs like that entrepreneurial educations. That's why more developing countries also wanted requiring the recognize the entrepreneurs, importance of entrepreneurs, and motivating the small entrepreneurs. That's why every colleges, we are colleges also in BBA students 1 week program. They have a food festival, like they are preparing for their items. They can buy the what profit, what are the cost of the product. Like that we have to improve their skills. That is the main thing. We have to develop their countries. Every developing countries are thinking like that. That is the what entrepreneurs importance and motivating the small entrepreneurs. That is also. And also we are in previous we are discussing about the every entrepreneurs are action oriented and also self motivating and also good achievers, risk takers. That's why they are transforms economic resources by establishing the business and good achievers. That is the establishing the business to enterprise for producing the goods and services. That is the main thing. They can look into the economic resources. What economic resources are they to establish in the one enterprise, and two entrepreneurs are producing the goods and services. That is the main thing. You look into the every entrepreneur is a action oriented good achievers. That's why every country is also to searching their human resources like entrepreneurs. And also this process is make more products available to the people. Why? Because every entrepreneurs are introducing new products. The process, what process? Every country is searching for human resources. That human resources are also like a small entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs producing the small goods and services. That process make more products to available for the people. What people public is needs, what they want, these are the depending about the process make more products. Process make more products, more like different type of products, different services they introduce every entrepreneur. That is the main thing. It leads individual income levels and also standard of living of the people beside development of economy. The every entrepreneur is a leads to individual income and also standard of living beside the economy of the development country. That is the main thing we have to. That's why so the economic development of country depending primarily on its entrepreneurs. That is the main thing. Every country is a thinking depending the primarily what? Entrepreneurs. They wanted to more number of entrepreneurs to play important role in economic development. That is the main thing. You think about the what are the following manners? What are the following manners are to develop their country? Every entrepreneur, what following manners are to what role they can develop their country? That is the main thing. What they wanted to do, what they taking the what the resources, what like that. But that is the main thing. The following manners, that is the first thing is better standard of living. The first thing is better standard of living. What is the better standard of living is they are producing new things. They are producing new variety, qualitative of products are low cost. They are producing the low cost. That is the main thing. We have to look into the better standard of living. That is the why we are calling the better standard of living is they are producing new variety of qualitative of things and also low cost. You think about that. Every people they can, every shopkeeper is a discount for 30%, 10%, 20%. Why? They are giving discount for every product to 20, 30, 50 like that. They have to more focus on consumer, customer are attractive their products. That's why the every qualitative they two methods we have to improve your products and also their effects to improve the living of standard their people. That is the main thing. What effort we are putting in our business, that is the small thing, but that is the to develop their standard of living, to better standard of living, and also improve products. Improve products is also one manner of the role of entrepreneur. That is the main thing. Why? Because we are, every entrepreneur is a central figure of development process. Development process central figure who? Entrepreneur. Why? Because they can new products and also new methods to introducing products and also to perform productions to develop their country to economic level, economic growth level. That's right, they can improve the products also. We have to think in innovation level. We are using technology in our business. That's why to improve our products. And also the next thing is dispersal by economic power. Dispersal by economic power. We have introducing new things and also new activities, new methods in that time. Nowadays, every government is encouraging the more number of individual entrepreneurs. Every government is also giving for the chance for new setups, business ventures like that. We have to for the utilization of local areas. Local area means in Visakhapatnam city or Andhra state or any other state. We have to improve the in your these resources to utilization of in your products. That is the main thing. That's why every government is also to encourage the every entrepreneur. That's why we have a economic power. Every entrepreneurs have a economic power. Government is given for the economic power for entrepreneurs. That's why we have to think about the dispersal of economic power is also very important. And balanced regional development. Balanced regional development is very important for the public benefits. What are the public benefits? Road, transport, health, education, entertainment, any field. You can think one city, one regional city, and you can develop in your business to in your products. That is the main thing. That's why to balance the regional development also in 50% in India, in 60s also, we are more focused in only 6 cities. That is the industrial development, and also we have to more industries in our country. We look into the more focus on their cities. Which area we are to develop in the industrials and small entrepreneurs. Like that we have to small scale, large scale, high level. Like that we think about the balance the regional development. and also more employment. Every entrepreneur is a given for the employment. Why? Because we have to given for the every entrepreneur is a to given for the employment, more employment, like that skilled, unskilled, educated, uneducated people also wanted for their business. In that time they given for the employability. Employability is also more focus on the in the entrepreneur for the development of economy. And higher income levels. Higher income levels is also more depending on the entrepreneur activities. That is the directly and indirectly help the income level of people. Directly and indirectly. Their activities, what entrepreneurs activities are there? That is the direct or indirect level, they can do the level of income. That is the help them to the level of income. More focus on the higher income levels. That is the main thing. And also exports of products and services. What are the exports, products and services? Means we are introducing the products in our country, in our state, in our local area, but we are export other states, other nations, like that we have think about the what products are there, what services are there. We have to export the other countries. In other countries we are export the our products, we get income, national income, that is the foreign exchange money. The foreign exchange money is also to develop our national income. That's why we have to look into the every product, every entrepreneur is a products to export or import to other countries. That is the main thing. And also better utilization of national resources. That is also very important. Why? Because we have to look into the national resources like soil, water, electricity. Those what we are discussing about the national resources, we are utilizing in our business. That is more depending upon the economic development in our nation. That is the main thing. We are better utilization. We are utilization of the better utilization of the every national resources. Why? Because some entrepreneurs not using the national resources, but some entrepreneurs are using the national resources like soil. We are using for the electricity. Every small entrepreneurs also they wanted power. No, in power we are using electricity. We are paying for the bill for in state or country. In that time we have a national income to develop their economy. That is why better utilization of national resources also. And creation of markets. The creation of markets is very important. Creation of markets is also very important. We are introducing new products, new variety of products, new variety of services. In that time, we have to look into the new markets, new customers, new consumers. That time our products are to improvise. Our business is also improved. That's why we are creation of markets. We have to look into the creation of markets, new markets. Not only in our nation, we have to look into the markets in other countries and other world also. We have to look into the in our products also for other countries. In that time we have searching for new markets. Okay girls, that is the creation of market is also very important. And improvement of per capita income. Improvement of per capita income means the national income by population. National income by population. The national income dividing the population, we get per capita income. Why? Because to improvement of per capita income, we have to look into the what national income is there, what population there in our country, we have to dividing about the we are producing our products and services. Every entrepreneurs are thinking like that. That time we have to get a per capita income. Per capita income is also to going for the development of in our country, in our economic development. That's why we have to look into the to improvement of per capita income. And national self-reliance is also very important. Why? Because we are new products, new things, new varieties of, we are qualitative matters, we are efficiency, effectiveness in our product. That is also imports the other countries. We get a foreign exchange. That time our national income is also growing, and also national self-reliance is also to develop in our country. That's why we have to look into the every important role in an entrepreneur is a economic development. Okay guys, you understood? Today, next class we are discussing about the what is a startup, what is the difference between startup and small enterprises. Okay guys, thank you.